Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Kia Sportage key battery. This simple task can be done at home in just a few minutes. You will need a fresh CR 2032 3-volt coin battery and a small flathead screwdriver. This process is straightforward and will restore full functionality to your key fob, saving you a trip to the dealership. Let's get started with the first step. To begin, locate the small button on the side of your key fob and press it to release the physical emergency key. Pull this key out and set it aside. Next, look for a small indentation or slot along the seam of the key fob casing. Insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, carefully pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the key fob open, you will see the round, old CR 2032 battery nestled inside. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry the old battery from its compartment. Be careful not to bend any metal contacts. Now, take your new CR 2032 3-volt battery. Make sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign or text, is facing upwards as you carefully press it into place. It should click securely into the battery holder. Now that the new battery is in, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear them snap securely into place. Next, slide the physical emergency key back into its designated slot until it locks. Finally, test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking and unlocking your vehicle, to confirm the new battery is working correctly. You have successfully replaced your Kia Sportage key battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.